Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty. Where dream homes come true. Blythewood home and cul-de-sac with open floor plan in a beautiful neighborhood. Kitchen with tile floors and bar for additional sitting, opens to dining area and great room with fireplace. Beautiful laminate flooring. Spacious master suite with tray ceiling, separate garden tub, water closet and shower. Fourth bedroom/bonus with walk-in closet. Neighborhood features common pond/picnic area. Plenty of room for family and friends. Won't last long. Submit your offer today.